Login failed on Plus App Fix. You tried to log into your Plus trading app, but instead of seeing your portfolio, you're stuck staring at a login failed message. It's annoying, but the surprising truth is, this problem often has a quick fix once you know what to look for. Step 1. Check your internet connection. This requires a stable, real-time connection to verify your login and sync your trading data. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or restart your router. A weak or unstable connection is one of the most common causes of login failure. Next, make sure your app is updated. Go to the App Store or Google Play, search for Plus, and tap Update. Older versions can cause login errors after new security patches or server updates are released. If your app is current, try re-entering your login details manually. Autofill and password managers sometimes store outdated credentials, especially if you changed your password recently. If you can't remember it, use the Forgot Password link to reset it securely. Still getting the error? Clear the app cache. On Android, go to Settings Apps Plus Clear Cache. On iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the app to refresh its data completely. This removes corrupted files or old session data that may block your login. Now, check if you're using a VPN. This may block login attempts from unfamiliar or international IP addresses for security reasons. Turn off your VPN or proxy, then try logging in again. Finally, remember that sometimes the issue isn't on your end. This is servers can experience downtime, especially during peak trading hours or maintenance. Waiting 15 minutes before trying again often solves the problem. So if your Plus app says login failed, don't stress. Follow these quick steps: check your network, update the app, re-enter your details, clear the cache, and disable any VPNs. In most cases, you'll be back analyzing charts and managing trades in no time.